Hi guys, welcome back. Welcome back with the fourth puzzle in the edition of today's newspaper on Thursday. Yes, it's still Thursday, April the 20th, 2023. Already solved 3 puzzles. Sudoku with 3 stars, Sudoku with 4 stars, and the binary. It's time now for the Tectonic with 4 stars. This is really 4 stars, I believe, because it has 9 printed digits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yes, 9. And before this will be number 6309. Yes, it's indicated with 4 stars. That means for 4 stars puzzle I need 30 minutes or more to solve. That's my time limit, 30 minutes or more. Alright, already 1 minute passed, so let's get started. The first question to you is, can we see here the single box? Because the single box is always a 1. The single box here, single box a 1, and there single box is a 1. Do we have here in this puzzle dual boxes? Here dual box contains the 1 and the 2. Well, this box can be a 1, so the 1 should be here and the 2 goes there. Here also a dual box contains the 1 and the 2. Well, I do not know in which order, so let me mark those 2 boxes, 1 and the 2. Here another dual box contains the 1 and the 2. Well, this box can be a 1, so the 1 should be here and the 2 goes there. Next question, do we have here triple boxes? Let me check. No triple boxes in this puzzle. Quadra boxes then. Do we have quadra boxes? Also no quadra boxes. Then the following strategy is to look for shapes, figures, structures or constructions that you need to recognize. For example, this shape. Let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Do we have more of these kind of shapes here? Let me check. Not only one of them. Alright, then the following shape. How about this shape? Let me draw this shape here. Alright, when you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Do we have more of these kind of shapes in this puzzle? Here, rotated. This box has the same number as that box. Alright. More? No. Then the following shape. How about the T shape? Let me draw the T shape here. When you see the T shape rotated, this one is rotated. Remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Alright, but also that box has the same number as this box. So that box has the same number as this box. More T shapes in this puzzle? No. Then the following shape. How about this shape? Let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Here another one, but mirrored. This box has the same number as that box. Do we have more? Let me check. Nope, only 2 of them. And I believe the last shape in this puzzle, this L shape. Let me draw the L shape here. When you see the L shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Only one L shape. Yeah, And those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. We have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 shapes, figures, structures or constructions that you need to recognize. Maximum 6, but not in this puzzle. In this puzzle we have only 5 that you need to recognize. And the question is why you need to recognize those shapes in this puzzle here. Well, then the following step, it's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get starting filling those numbers. These 3 boxes surround the 1 can be a 1. These 2 boxes can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be there. Then these 3 boxes surround the 1 can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be there. Oh, this box is connected with that box, should be also a 2. Alright, this box can be a 1, that box can be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this T-shape area should be there. These 3 boxes surround the 1 can be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be there. This box can be a 1, those 2 boxes can be a 1, so 1 could be here, could be there. And this box is connected with that box, should be also a 1. Alright, then let me see. These 2 boxes can be a 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. Well. These 2 boxes can be a 2, that box can be a 2, so 1 box left for the 2 in this W area shape should be here. These 3 boxes surround the 2 can be a 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. Then these 2 boxes can be a 2 because we have a double 2 there. If I place a 2 here, I cannot fill any 2 in one of those 2 boxes, so here can be a 2, but also that box can be 2. We have a double 2 there. If I place a 2 here, I cannot fill any 2 in one of those 2 boxes, so the only place left for the 2 in this area should be here. These 3 boxes surround the 2 can be a 2 in this area, so the 2 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be 2, we have a double 2 there, but also those 2 boxes can be a 2 because we have a double 2 there. This box can be a 2, so 1 box left for the 2 in this area should be there. These 2 boxes can be a 1, we have a double 1 there. If I place a 1 here, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those 2 boxes. And that box can also not be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be here. These 2 boxes can be a 1, that box can be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be there. These 2 boxes can be a 1, that box can be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. Well, I don't think in this box should be a 1 because this box is connected with that box, should be also a 1 then, but we already have a 1 here, so not the solution, place the 1 there. The only place left for the 1 should be here. Alright, these 2 boxes can be a 1, that box can be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be here. These 3 boxes surround the 1 can be a 1, those 2 boxes can be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be there. Now we have a 1 here, so this box can be 1 and more, that box should be a 1, and this box should be a 2. This box can be a 1, that box can be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be here. These 2 boxes can be a 1, those 2 boxes can be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. Alright. Okay. Let me think. Okay. Well, I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with a 2. We have a 2 now, so no 2 here. The 2 is supposed to be here. I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with a 2. Now we have a 2 there, so this box can be 2 and more. That box should be a 2. These 2 boxes can be 2, that box can be a 2, so 1 box left for the 2 in this area should be here. these 3 boxes surround the 2 can be a 2. That box can be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this L-shaped area. Should be here. Well, these 2 boxes can be 2. So the 2 could be here, could be there. Alright. Then, let me think. These 3 boxes surround the 5 can be a 5, so the 5 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be a 5, so 1 box left for the 5 in this area. Should be there. This box can be a 2, that box can be a 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. The 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 4, 3 and 4, and this box is connected with that box, should be also 3 or the 4. Also that box is connected, should be also 3 or a 4. Alright. These 2 boxes can be a 2, so 1 box left for the 2 in this area. Should be here, so 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 4, 3 and 4, and this box is connected with that box, should be also 3 or a 4. Here we have a pair, 3 and a 4. So these 3 boxes, we need a 2, but this box can be a 2, so the 2 goes together with the 1 as a pair. So I've eliminated the 5, so the 5 goes there. Alright. This box can be a 2 because we have a double 2 there. So the 2 could be here, could be there. That means we have a double 2 here. That means that this box cannot be a 2 anymore. If I place a 2 here, I cannot fill any 2 in one of those 2 boxes. So not the solution, place the 2 there. The 2 is supposed to be here. Alright. This box can be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. Let me think. What's the next step? Well, these 2 boxes are left in this area for numbers 3 and 5, 3 and 5. These 2 boxes are left in this T-shaped area for the numbers 3 and 5, 3 and 5. This box is connected with that box, should be also 3 or a 5. This box can be a 4, so 1 box left for the 4 in this area, should be there. So 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 or the 5. Okay, we have a pair here. Then. Here we have 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and the 4. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 3 goes there. 3 and a 4, we have a 4 now, so no 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 3 goes there. And this box is connected with that box, should be also a 3. Here we have a pair, the 3 and a 4. We have a 3 there, so this box should be a 4. 3 and 4. We have a 4 now, so no 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 3 goes there. And this box is connected with that box, should be also a 4. These 2 boxes surround the 4, can be a 4. So 1 box left for the 4, and this W area shape should be here. So 2 numbers left, the 3 and the 5. 3 and the 5, okay. 1 and a 2, we have a 2 now, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 1 goes there. I think this box should be a 4 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, should be a 4, can be a 5, yes, definitely a 4. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and the 3. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Alright. I think this box should be a 5 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, can be 4. Yes, definitely a 5. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 3. 1 and 3. Okay. I think this box should be a 2. No. We already have a 2. I think this box should be 3 because it can be 1, can be 2, should be a 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely a 3. And this box is connected with that box, should be also a 3. Also connected with this box, should be also a 3. Two numbers left for the numbers 4 and a 5, 4 and a 5. Here also two numbers left also for the 4 and a 5, 4 and a 5. This box can be a 5, that box can be a 4, so the 4 and a 5 goes in those two boxes as a pair, 4 and a 5, 4 and a 5, so one digit left in this L-shaped area for number 1. Now we have a 1 there, so this box can be 1 and more. That box should be a 1 and this box should be a 3. Alright. So far so good. Okay. 3 and a 5. We have a 5 now, so no 5 there. 5 should be here and a 3 goes there. And this box is connected with that box. Should be also a 3. One box left in this area for number 5. Now we have a 5 there, so this box can be 5 and more. That box should be a 5 and this box should be a 4. 4 and a 5, we have a 4 now, so no 4 there. 4 should be here and a 5 goes there. 4 and a 5, we have a 5 now, so no 5 there. 5 should be here and a 4 goes there. These two boxes can be a 5, so one box left for the 5 in this area should be there, so two numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and the 4. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here and a 3 goes there. 3 and a 5, we have a 5. No, I need, we have a 2 here. I've marked those two boxes with a 2. Now we have a 2 here, so this box can be 2 and more. That box should be a 2. Then go up. I think this box should be a 5 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, can be 4. Yes, definitely a 5. 3 and a 5. We have a 5 now, so no 5 there. 5 should be here and the 3 goes there. Two numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and the 3. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here and the 2 goes there. Then these two boxes can be 4. That box can be a 4. So one box left for the 4 in this area should be there, and I've eliminated the 1, so the 1 goes there. Two numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and the 5. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here and the 5 goes there. Final two numbers in this area for numbers 3 and the 5. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here and the 5 goes there. Finish in 17 minutes. Well, don't think so that this is a 4 stars. Also not a 3 stars. Let me give this a 2 stars. I'm not faster than 50 minutes, but we solve it again. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and we'll meet again tomorrow on Friday, last working day of the week. Until then, bye bye for now.